This is a pretty cool one. Check this out. We get a lot of these cold water shrimp. We get a lot of these up here in the Gulf of Maine. They come up in our traps sometimes, which is pretty cool because we have pretty big mesh traps. The shrimp can easily fit through there. They're kind of a cool, they're a lot smaller than the shrimp they get down in the southern part of the United States, but it's pretty cool. They're protected here in the Gulf of Maine. There used to be a season for them a long time ago, but they shut it down in hopes that the shrimp would make a comeback, which they started to have. Unfortunately for us, the old timers always used to say if you're catching a lot of shrimp, there's not a lot of lobsters around because the lobsters really enjoy the shrimp. They feed on those. So not a good sign for us, but a pretty good sign for the shrimp population.